Is your AC not cooling like it used to, making weird noises, or even dripping water? If yes, you need to watch this because most homeowners don't realize these problems until it's too late. Sometimes your AC just doesn't cool like it used to. You turn it on, but the room never feels cold enough. This can happen when the air filters get clogged with dust flow drops. The AC works harder, and your room stays warm. Another reason is low refrigerant, which is what absorbs heat from your room. If it's low or leaking, your AC can't cool efficiently. Even blocked or dirty condenser coils outside can trap heat and reduce cooling. Checking your filters is a simple step, but if it still doesn't cool properly, calling a professional is the best move. Have you ever heard rattling, buzzing, or squealing when you turn on your AC? Those sounds are the AC trying to tell you something. Rattling or banging usually means loose parts inside. Buzzing can point to electrical issues or a struggling motor. Squealing often comes from a worn-out belt or motor stress. Ignoring these noises can lead to bigger problems or even a full system breakdown, so it's worth getting it checked as soon as possible. Another thing that homeowners often notice is water leaking from the AC. Sometimes your AC can turn into a mini fountain indoors. This can happen when the drain line gets clogged and the condensation spills inside. Dirty filters can cause the evaporator coil to freeze and then melt, creating leaks. Over time, the drain pan can also crack or rust, leading to water dripping indoors. Even small leaks can damage floors, walls, or furniture if left unchecked, so getting it fixed fast is important. Regular maintenance can prevent most of these issues. Changing filters, cleaning coils, and checking the drain line are simple steps that keep your AC running efficiently. And if your AC still acts up, calling a professional will save you headaches and keep your home comfortable. For fast, reliable AC service, make sure to call the number provided in the description. Stay cool, stay comfortable, and don't let AC issues ruin your day.